A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling, a federal judge has intervened to protect the legal status of approximately 521,000 Haitian immigrants, blocking the Trump administration's attempt to terminate their temporary deportation protections and work permits. This decision comes after the Department of Homeland Security, led by Secretary Kristi Noem, sought to end the Temporary Protected Status (TPS) for Haitians, which had been extended by President Joe Biden earlier this year. The TPS, originally granted in response to the catastrophic earthquake that struck Haiti in 2010, was set to expire on August 3rd, but the administration had pushed back the deadline to September 2nd. However, U.S. District Judge Brian Cogan, based in Brooklyn, ruled that Secretary Noem did not adhere to the statutory requirements set by Congress to review the TPS designation for Haitians properly. In his ruling, Judge Cogan emphasized that Secretary Noem lacked both statutory and inherent authority to unilaterally vacate a country's TPS designation, labeling her actions as unlawful. He stated, "Plaintiffs are likely to, and, indeed, do, succeed on the merits," highlighting that the interests of Haitians in maintaining their ability to live and work in the United States significantly outweigh any potential harm to the U.S. government. The ruling comes amid ongoing discussions about immigration policy, particularly as former President Donald Trump has made immigration reform a cornerstone of his platform for a potential second term. The judge's decision is particularly notable given that he was appointed by Republican President George W. Bush, indicating a bipartisan concern for the rights of Haitian immigrants. In response to the ruling, Tricia McLaughlin, a spokesperson for the Department of Homeland Security, expressed disappointment, arguing that the TPS designation was never meant to serve as a permanent asylum program. She stated, "This ruling delays justice and seeks to kneecap the president's constitutionally vested powers, expressing confidence that a higher court would ultimately support their position." The legal battle began when 9 Haitian TPS holders, alongside an association of churches and a chapter of the Service Employees International Union, filed a lawsuit on March 14th. They contended that Secretary Noem failed to conduct the required review of current conditions in Haiti before attempting to terminate TPS prematurely. The situation in Haiti remains dire, with over 1 million people displaced and rampant gang violence exacerbating the humanitarian crisis, despite the presence of a United Nations-backed security mission initiated last year. Manny Pastrike, president of SEIU Local 32BJ, which represents many Haitian TPS holders, remarked on the ruling, stating, "While the fight is far from over, this is an important step." Secretary Noem's hardline stance on immigration has extended beyond Haitians, as she has also sought to end TPS for approximately 350,000 Venezuelans and thousands from Afghanistan and Cameroon. On May 19th, the U.S. Supreme Court permitted the termination of TPS for Venezuelans, potentially setting a precedent for other terminations. Under current law, Secretary Noem has the authority to grant TPS for 6 to 8 months to individuals from countries facing natural disasters, armed conflict, or other extraordinary circumstances. The Haitian plaintiffs' legal team also argued that the decision to suspend TPS was influenced by racial animus, infringing upon their constitutional right to equal protection. This claim was underscored by past comments made by Trump during a September 2024 debate, where he falsely alleged that Haitian immigrants in Springfield, Ohio, were resorting to eating pets, inciting fear and hostility toward the Haitian community. As this legal battle unfolds, the fate of Haitian immigrants hangs in the balance, with advocates urging for a reconsideration of their status amidst the ongoing humanitarian crisis in their home country. The implications of this ruling may resonate far beyond the courtroom, affecting the lives of countless individuals and families who have sought refuge and stability in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.